Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the political center of the Netherlands, Het Binnenhof. This is the way we say Het Binnenhof. Binnenhof. So there isn't really any emphasis here. Try to pronounce it without it. Binnenhof. And a lot of Dutch people do not pronounce the third N, so it will sound like this. Binnenhof. Binnenhof. The full version, of course, is Binnenhof. BIN-NEN-HOF. Het Binnenhof. Het Binnenhof houses both houses of the States General of the Netherlands and is situated in the heart of Den Haag. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and certainly by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!